Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with quick, decisive actions. First, enable airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds, then disable it. This clears transient radio glitches. Next, restart your phone. Once done, power cycle the router by unplugging it for 30 seconds to force a fresh DHCP lease. Make sure mobile data is off so the device prioritizes Wi-Fi, and then connect to the exact SSID using the correct password. Small typos often block authentication. Once reconnected, forget the network and re-add it to clear corrupted profiles. This forces a fresh handshake. You should move within 3 to 10 meters of the router to rule out range issues and avoid interference sources like microwaves or cordless phones. Physical placement matters. Next, check router bands. Try both too. 4 GHz and 5 GHz, and if crowded, change the channel to a less congested one. This reduces packet collisions and improves throughput. Now finish with advanced steps. Update your phone OS and router firmware because driver and compatibility fixes often resolve persistent failures. If problems persist, reset network settings on the phone to remove custom proxies, VPN, or misconfigured APNs. This is less drastic than a full factory reset, but can fix routing bugs. Finally, test the Wi-Fi with a second device to determine whether the issue is the phone or the router. If the other device works.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.